Welcome to Defense Academy Coimbatore, residential coaching for the Rashtriya Indian Military College Dehradun and Rashtriya Military School. We ex-defense officers of the Indian Armed Forces have pleasure in teaching young children and to see that they also gain and experience what we did in school, public, National Defense Academy and the Armed Forces Academies. Join us for live classing, 2 months crash course at Coimbatore. We have well experienced teachers, gurus who will be there with them like a gurukul and teach them table manners, etiquettes, regular yoga exercises, games, field trips, as well as mock tests. Clear the doubts then and there. By this, the students gain confidence and are able to face the RIMC public RMS entrance examination without fear. The basic concepts are cleared and mock test makes them wiser and confident. Thank you.